Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's IELTS Academic Volume 1, Practice 2, the Writing Task 1. The diagram below shows the process of making a violin by hand. There are 9 stages in this process, and this task can be written in 5 paras. In the introduction, describe the task. In feature para 1, report the first 3 stages of the task. In feature para 2, report the next 3 stages. In feature para 3, report the last 3 stages. And in the overview, summarize the task. The following slides will show how this task can be written. In the introduction, describe the task. The given diagram depicts the stages involved in the production of a handmade violin. In feature para 1, report the first 3 stages. In the first 3 stages, patterns of the back and front parts of the violin are sawed off from thin pieces of wood. Then, a cutting tool is used to cut an F hole in the front part. In feature para 2, report the next 3 stages. In the following 3 stages, a bass bar is glued on to the front part of the violin. Then, wooden strips are shaped into ribs on a heating tool for the sides. These ribs are then glued on to the back and front parts to form the body of the violin. Now in feature para 3, report the last 3 stages. And in the last 3 stages, a neck and a scroll are fitted onto this body. Also, additional parts are assembled onto the violin just before varnish is applied. This completes the violin. In the overview, summarize the task. Overall, in the manufacturing process, there are 9 stages, from cutting parts of thin pieces of wood to the completed violin.